Welcome back, everybody. So, Margot, what are we going to do today? What are we? Ice cream. Oh, okay. That could be a cute one. Okay, that could be fun. Let's see. Eventually, in this case, we are not going to use the pencil, but we are going to use directly our marker. So let's see if we can make it. I think that the first step would be to have the body for the ice cream, which means a sort of a V, like that. And then we have similar, in the similar way that we had the cute cupcake, we could have a few rounded lines in here, and then a dome here. Okay, so we have our base for the ice cream, and then just for having a little bit of details, we can have, something here like round that could symbolize the ice cream cone, like that. And then another one here, and yeah, and we can leave it this way. And then the only thing missing is the face that we can make this time very happy, like this is the mouth laughing. And one thing that we used in another, let's say a little eye here and a little eye there. Okay, and if we want just to have a little bit of color on top of it, we could add some sprinkles, like a bit here, another one here with the red, and another one here, and then just change color. The blue one in here, eventually here as well. A yellow as well. So we put them to be like rainbow sprinkles. And purple one. Love purple. Do you like purple, Margot?
Yeah.
What's your favorite color, Margot?
I like pink and purple and blue, but I'll pick blue for now.
Okay, so let's go with blue. And then the last thing, eventually we put little pink. So that's it. What do you think, Margot? You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, this was.
Can you give him some eyelashes?
Eyelashes, okay. 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Like that? So I suppose it's a she.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this was quick and easy. So we say that we can see each other for our next drawing.